ChatGPT is an AI language model that is taking the world by storm. Know how to use ChatGPT. Step-by-step process to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT login. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT website. Complete guide to use ChatGPT. Its full form. ChatGPT is a revolutionary AI language model that is taking the world by storm. ChatGPT full form is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is believed that Google's Bard is going to be its biggest competitor. What is ChatGPT? In simple language, ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that has been developed by San Francisco-based startup OpenAI and is available for public use on web browsers. It can be used on its website, which is ChatGPT is powered by LLM, which is large language model. This means that ChatGPT is capable of understanding human-like responses. It has triggered a new global race in the AI world within every short duration of time. It was released in November 2022 and has been the talk of the business world since then. But what makes ChatGPT unique? Well, ChatGPT is capable of having conversations with you like you are talking to a very knowledgeable person. ChatGPT can have conversations with you on history, philosophy, culture, etc. Besides this, it can also generate lyrics of your favorite singer, help you write code, etc.
If you are wondering about the procedure for ChatGPT login. If you are wondering about the procedure for ChatGPT login, then here is the step-by guide for you. ChatGPT website is. One needs to sign up on this website to be able to use this trending app. OpenAI ChatGPT has been designed in such a way that a person of any age can use it. OpenAI makers have not launched the app version of it yet. Hence, you would have to sign up on OpenAI website to use it. How to use ChatGPT step-by-step procedure. The new AI chatbot, which is ChatGPT, has taken the world by storm with its remarkable use. If you are keen on trying out ChatGPT and want to know how to use ChatGPT, then here is a complete guide for you. This article is a complete step-by-step guide to using the AI tool. ChatGPT is a newly launched AI chatbot that was launched in November 2022. It stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT has been making headlines since the day it was launched due to the tasks that it is capable of performing. It gives you answers to every question of yours, such as it will help you to plan a party, give you complete guidance in your school-college assignments, write code, etc. In fact, what is startling is the fact that it has shown its power by surpassing the law bar exam and also tackling Google's coding test. Want to explore ChatGPT more? How to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is simple and easy to use. One thing that you should keep in mind while using it is that you input statement questions in it. In order to use ChatGPT, the first thing that you need to do is to create an account on OpenAI. Given below is the step-by-step guide to using ChatGPT in a hassle-free manner. First, sign up on OpenAI. The first step to use ChatGPT is to sign up on OpenAI and create an account on it. Visit. Second, create an account on ChatGPT. The following page will appear on your screen once you visit the OpenAI website. Click on the sign up option. The following page will appear on your screen. Click on the sign up option. In case the website is taking time to load, then refresh the page or check back after some time. Verify your account. After you have successfully signed up for ChatGPT, the next step is to verify your account. If you signed up through your email, then a verification email will be sent to your inbox. Follow the link sent to your mobile phone and complete the verification process. Fill up the details asked and proceed. Use ChatGPT. After you have successfully created an account on ChatGPT, then the ChatGPT is free to use. How to use ChatGPT after account creation. Now that you have successfully created an account on ChatGPT, you can begin to use it. It is simple and easy to use. Simply type any question that you wish to know about in the search bar. For example, if you want to know about the recipe of a dish, then simply type your query in the search box. Here is the screenshot of the ChatGPT search bar. ChatGPT's biggest competitor. If we look at the biggest competitor of ChatGPT, then we could believe that Google's Bard will be the one to replace it. Google finally unveiled its AI chatbot, which is Bard, on February 6th, which will give direct competition to ChatGPT. Similar to ChatGPT, Bard 2 is capable of having human-like conversations, do translations and provide accurate information to the user. It is powered by Google's language model, which is Lambda. Google will combine external feedback with internal testing to ensure Bard's responses meet a high bar for quality, safety and groundedness in real-world information. Though there are many other alternatives to ChatGPT, however, if facts are to be believed, then Google's AI chatbot, Bard, has the power to compete against it. Can I use ChatGPT on mobile? Unfortunately, ChatGPT is unavailable on mobile phones at present. Thus, it cannot be found in Google Play Store for Android and Apple App Store for iPhone. ChatGPT is still undergoing development, so it can be only used on. The world is curious about using the ChatGPT app. However, you should be aware that this AI is not yet made available to be downloaded as an app version. You can use ChatGPT on your mobile phone browser for free by visiting any web browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, etc. Here is the mobile screenshot of ChatGPT on mobile phone. When will Bard be launched? The search giant Google announced that it will be opening it up to trusted testers ahead of making it more widely available to the public in the coming weeks. It will be quite interesting to see how Google will develop its chatbot to compete against ChatGPT and how people would find it to use.